So it looks like Buzz Lightyear is not here, but he told me to meet him here because this is his ride. So he must be floored, because he says he knows where Leaf is. So we're gonna try finding Lee's on this ride, where Buzz Lightyear tells me where Leaf is. All right, so that's what we're gonna do.
All right, Space Rangers, aim for the seas. And remember, the targets are worth more when they're wet.
All right.
Please face forward. Back in your seat.
Oh, it's gonna come. It's gonna come to us. Whee! All right.
Doctor, join me and take the wheels of this Buzz Lightyear.
Haha, I got you now. I forgot to steer. I thought you're feeding me. You're tricking me to turn somewhere.
It's a fun target here.
Fools, you thought you could stop me? You have destroyed my treasure, but not much.
Attention, Space Rangers. Your space cruisers have been temporarily halted. Please remain seated. Your mission will resume shortly.
Fools, you thought you could stop me? You have destroyed my treasure, but not much. No one can stop me now. Reach one of these bars.
Attention, Space Rangers. Your space cruisers will now be restarted. Please resume your mission.
How are you beating me? How are you beating me?
So we can get started.
I'm catching up. I'm catching up. Oh, you beat me by 400 points! Come on!
It's been an honor, sir.
What is going on with shooting? You're not supposed to be beating me on shooting game. I didn't see Lee's in there either, so. Well, we did find Lee's, but we have a lot more for Disneyland, so stay tuned for that. We'll find her. I know we will. I'm pretty sure we will. That was fun. She cheated. How did she cheat? How did you do that?